So these are some of the world's hottest peppers. 7-pot yellow peppers. What's up, family status? I hope everyone having a great morning, great evening, great afternoon. Today I'm gonna harvest some 7-pot yellow peppers, and I'm gonna harvest some Tobago seasoning peppers. Before we start harvesting peppers, I wanted to ask you guys 2 questions. The first question is, why are these watermelons growing so big and healthy in this compost pile? I mean, they're growing bigger than we had in the ground in this compost pile. Like, look at them. Like, the leaves didn't get this big on our watermelon plants in the ground. That's crazy, right? Look at it. And the second question is, why haven't we had to water these watermelons once? What do you think? What I think is, it's because we have a lot of grass clippings in our compost pile which act as mulch. If we don't even have to water our watermelon plants, what's better than that? Super low maintenance gardening, right? Which makes everything easier if you don't have to water that much, or if you can miss a couple days and your plants will still be looking super healthy like this. So those are my 2 questions for you guys. Why are these watermelon plants growing so big and healthy in this compost pile? Which I think because this compost pile is super fertile and super healthy and has a ton of nutrients. I'm guessing that's the reason why. But what do you guys think? And why don't we have to water watermelon plants in a compost pile? Because we haven't watered these once. So these are some of the world's hottest peppers. 7-pot yellow peppers. Let us know in the comment section if you're growing 7-pot yellow peppers. And if you're wondering how hot are these, just imagine a pepper that's 1,000 times hotter than a jalapeno pepper. Can't wait to make some hot sauce with these. Tobago seasoning peppers. That's beautiful. So these peppers are not that hot. They just have a hint of heat. And they still have that sweet flavor, just like habanero peppers.